Understanding rewards points. A simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common term you might encounter in everyday English, especially in shopping and loyalty programs: rewards points. We'll explore what they mean, how they work, and where you can use them. So, let's get started. Rewards points are a type of incentive offered by businesses to encourage customers to continue using their services or buying their products. These points are typically earned based on the amount of money you spend or the frequency of your purchases. Think of them as a thank you gesture from companies for choosing their services or products. Earning rewards points is usually straightforward. You might get them by making purchases with credit cards that offer points, buying products from specific stores that have a rewards program, completing certain actions, like signing up for a newsletter or participating in promotions. The key is to actively participate in the programs offered by companies. Now, what can you do with these points? Typically, you can redeem them for discounts on future purchases, free products or services, special offers not available to regular customers. It's like exchanging points for a gift or a bonus. It's crucial to understand the terms and conditions of each rewards program. This includes expiration dates for points, limitations on where or how you can redeem them, any special requirements for maintaining your points. Always read the fine print to make the most out of your rewards points. Rewards points are a fantastic way to get more out of your purchases and enjoy additional benefits. We hope this video has helped you understand what rewards points are and how you can use them effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy earning and redeeming.